Simplify. Okay, we have a fraction. In the numerator, we have a base in parentheses of x to the 2/3 and y to the negative 4/5. And all of that is to the exponent, negative 1/2. In the denominator, we have x to the 5/4. Okay, so we have a situation where we have a power on top of other powers. So we're going to distribute this exponent into the base, into every factor in the base. And when we distribute this exponent will multiply by the exponents on the inside. So we will have x to the 2/3 times negative 1/2 and y to the negative 4/5 times negative 1/2. All of this divided by x to the 5/4. Okay, so inside the exponents we can simplify. For example, these 2's reduce, giving us just x to the negative 1/3. Here, this 2 goes into this negative 4, leaving negative 2 times. And we have negative 2 and negative 1 is 2/5. So y to the 2/5. In the denominator, we have x to the 5/4. Okay, the next step, after we've done distributing the outside exponents through, is make any negative exponents into positive exponents. Now you might have another way to do this, but I prefer these same 3 steps. Distribute outside exponents, make negative exponents positive, and simplify, because those same 3 steps will solve pretty much all of these types. Okay, so we now only have y to the 2/5 on the top, and we have an x to the 1/3 and an x to the 5/4. Okay, now when we are multiplying like bases, like we have in the denominator, we add exponents. So this is x to the 1/3 plus 5/4. We add those fractions together. On the top we have y to the 2/5. On the bottom we have x to the 19/12. That looks more like a 5. That is simplified. We're leaving it in rational exponent form because this question was a rational exponent question. All right, I hope this helps.